So I heard you want some arms and you want some abs. Alright, so boom. We're gonna give you a nice, quick, compact upper body workout. So first things first, warm up. We're gonna warm up. Big arm circles.
Yo, my talk. Give us your position. Yo, brass. Forgive me, devil, I work hard. Give me strength to resist him. Me still a God pick me. Yeah, we all fall down, but we feel sometime when them all try kick me. Like a plane jar lift me. Way up, yeah. Nobody doing perfect, you without see.
Alright, so the next thing, arms straight out, pull your fingers back. That's gonna be stretching your wrists and your forearms. Wrists, fingers, and forearms.
Me just give out the cash, my I mean never sell out for no name, but me rather we a best and slip on by. Nice ride, yeah, me like that. Living my best life, nigga try that. Catch flights, Philadelphia to China. Hear them a chat, nah, pay them a yeah. Touchy bad mind, but you sink like anchor. Boy, this them.
Alright, reverse. The other way. Yeah. And now, stretch the wrist from the other side. And you're gonna feel it right up the back of your hand.
Pick me. Yeah, we all fall down, but we feel sometime when them all try kick me. Like a plane jar lift me. Way up, yeah.
Alright, so now we have some wrist circles. Just spin them around, get some blood pumping. Because we're going to be using our arms. So we gotta make sure that they work.
If it ain't about the money, then you're not talk. My language, man, this nigga just all talk. Bust your face if you skylock. Me want buy.
So the first exercise is going to be knee push-ups. If you're strong enough to do actual push-ups, forget about the knee push-ups. Just go ahead and do the push-ups. Just get on your knees, push, down and up, down and up. Alright. We're doing 10 push-ups. So don't stop till you get to the number 10. If I get to 10 before you, you just pause the video and you continue to do your 10. But we're not stopping until we get to 10. Alright? Alright.
Sometime when them all try kick me. Like a plane jar lift me. Way up, hey. Forgive me, devil, I work hard. Give me strength to resist him. Me still a God pick me. Yeah, we all fall down.
Alright, so the next exercise is low plank to high plank. You get into a low plank position and push up one arm at a time. And try to alternate arms. If you go right side this time, then the next time you try to push up from your left side. So it's going to be 5 on each arm. So if you just count straight to 10. 1 time, right. It's 2 times, left. Like that's how you do it. You're going straight to 10. Let's go.
Philadelphia to China, hear them a chat, nah, pay them a yeah. Touchy bad mind, but you sink like anchor. Boy, this them dead like cancer. Deadly bad, no baby badness. From me pull out me gun, nah, left no survivor. Forgive me, devil, I work hard, give me strength to resist him.
What? You made it to 10? Yo, you're boss. And if you're a chick, you're boss chick. Yeah, you're bad.
Me. Like a plane jar lift me. Way up, yeah. So we not good people. I was born to start, they know they envy us. Someone say me too.
Alright, so the next exercise is going to be pike toe touch. So get into a pike position and then tip on your toe and then touch your toe. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Opposite hand, opposite foot. And it's going to be 5 on each side. So 5 on each side, so that's 10 in total. And this is going to work your shoulders and your abs. You want strong shoulders and you want some abs?
Baby badness, from me pull out me gun, nah, left no survivor. Forgive me, devil, I work hard, give me strength to resist him. Me still a God pick me. Yeah, we all fall down.
Alright, this one is going to be shoulder taps into tricep push-ups. So tap your shoulders and boom, bam. Tap your shoulders and then boom, bam. Each shoulder tap and then a tricep push-up is 1 and the goal is 10. Let's go.
Amen. Forgive me, devil, I work hard, give me strength to resist him. Me still a God pick me. Yeah, we all fall down, but we feel sometime when them all try kick me. Like a plane jar lift me. Way up, yeah. Nobody doing perfect. You without sin, take a slice of me liver. With a liar, that thief, a bishop, a priest, yeah, we are all sinners. Me work hard, me na business, we brag, we just keep.
Yo, so I can't even lie. I'm proud of you. You made it this far. You made it far. So we only got one exercise left. So just breathe like a bit. Just breathe. We got planks. Yep. 30 seconds. Let's go.
Like anchor, boy, this them dead like cancer. Deadly bad, no baby badness. From me pull out me gun, now left no survivor. Forgive me.
Hey, don't get up yet. But when you get up off the ground, go and like the video and click subscribe. Cause me and you is friends now. Cause you made it this far. So right now, you and me is friend. So let's go. You're soon done. Keep going. We almost there. Alright, you made it. 30 seconds. Exercise complete. You is a soldier.
We not on the time for no small talk. If it ain't about the money, then you're not.